What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of the setups that I'm potentially looking to trade. It's a trade on Aussie dollar and it's essentially a buy to sell setup. Okay, so I'm a funded trader myself, and so that means I'm taking part in the My Forex Funds and the Funded Trader Discord communities, and I actually shared this setup a couple of days ago. I'm going to post a screenshot on the screen right now so you can see where price was trading back then. And then we're going to have a look at the chart right now and we're going to see where is price trading currently and what exactly is my idea and how I'm going to trade this setup. Okay, now if this is your first time on our channel, we've literally just started it, so make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. There's going to be videos like this coming out frequently, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below this video. Follow us on social media and join our free Telegram channel. That's where I post most of my setups before I take the trade, so it's definitely something that is going to help you in your trading journey as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart. Okay, so what we're looking at right now is the Aussie dollar on the daily time frame. You can clearly see that we've been moving in a downtrend for quite some time. Recently, we had this push to the downside, price breaking below the most recent low. It then gives us a pullback, and right at the end of the pullback is where we want to take another sell trade, right? But looking at the daily time frame, okay, first it looked like the end of the pullback took place, but here when price formed this high, okay, so we've got a couple of wicks to the upside. You can see them right here. Then market pushing down, and instead of continuing even lower, it then created another high, retesting the previous one, not being able to break above it though, okay? And at that point, I actually thought that we're going to see something like this, where we see price breaking below this most recent low right here, then coming back for a retest, and this is where I wanted to take a sell trade. Okay, now that didn't happen. Instead of that, instead of a break below the most recent low, we had a higher high. You can see that clearly right here. Okay, now what that means is that we're probably going to retest some higher levels before we actually drop to the downside. Okay, and we need to find out where those levels are, and price is actually pretty close to one of those levels. It's actually a supply area. Okay, so first of all, let's place a horizontal level, okay, across this previous low, right? So this low has been retested multiple times, so that's why we've got a kind of a key level at 0.685354. okay, so we've got a retest here, we've got another market reaction right here, we've got multiple rejections right here, we've got another market reaction here, another fake out at the same level right here, and price is about to reach that same level again. Okay, but not only that, we've also got a supply area which sits just above current price levels, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and if we look at this last high which formed around the same key level that we just talked about, we've got this supply area up here. Okay, so I'm going to select that zone, I'm going to drag it across, and we want to see, is there any room to the upside that price needs to fill before it drops lower. Okay, and I actually think there is. Okay, so that means I actually think we're going to see the market continuing higher, retesting this area around 0.6870, or let's just say roughly 0.69, maybe slightly below that. Okay, that's where I want to potentially look for selling opportunities, and I'm probably going to be looking for at the 4-hour time frame for a further confirmation. Okay, however, before that though, since we are expecting that there's going to be another push higher, if we do get a pullback, why not take a buy trade? Okay, that's why I said that this is a buy to sell setup. So we're going to drop down to the hourly time frame, and ideally we want to see a little bit of a pullback here. That's going to give us a chance to enter a long trade. Okay, now the best case scenario would be to retest this demand area that we've got down here. Okay, so let me just do that. Right, so if price comes down here and gives us a retest of this demand area, then I'm going to be looking to take a buy trade and expect for the market to continue higher towards my supply area, where I'm eventually going to be looking to actually sell. Okay, the overall trend is to the downside, so at some point I'm actually expecting for the market to start creating lower structure, right? And looking at the 1-hour time frame, then that means I'm going to be looking to potentially buy price around 0.6720 down to around 0.67 pretty much, and I'm going to be placing my targets right around 0.6860, okay, where I'm going to be waiting for a further confirmation on the higher time frames, some type of a reversal candlestick pattern that's going to give me a chance to enter a short trade and expect for the market to come and at least retest this structure that we would have at that time. Okay, now obviously this pair is just on the radar. I'm not entering any trades right now. I want to see some kind of structure forming so I can make a decision based on that, whether I want to buy or sell. But like I said, I'm expecting that looking at the 4-hour and the daily time frame, we're probably going to see price testing this supply area that sits above, and then we're most likely going to drop again to the downside. All right, so that's what I'm looking at here on Aussie dollar. If you guys like this setup, make sure to leave a comment below this video, and don't forget to join the free Telegram channel. That's where I share most of my trading setups and entries that I'm taking on a daily basis. So if you want to get involved and trade with me, then join the free Telegram channel, or just reach out if you've got any type of questions regarding trading. Okay, so that's pretty much all for today. Let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you want to see next on this channel, and I'll do my best to put them out for you. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.